strong R&D team. The company has over 100 patents.
Now we are at a Solis booth. Established in 2005, Jinlong Technologies, trading under the Solis brand name, is one of the largest and most experienced solar inverter manufacturer in the world, producing award-winning string and energy storage inverters and intelligent solutions for utility, commercial, industrial, and residential use. Now let's walk onto the booth and take a look. Hello, could you tell us which are the main products Solis is showcasing at this year's exhibition?
Absolutely. We have our new three-phase commercial hybrid right here. It comes in 4 different ranges, 29.9 for Germany, and 30K, a 40K, and a 50K. It's got 120 amps on the backup port. It's got 20 amps on the PV inputs, which means it's really future-proof for later models of panels. You can parallel this inverter up to 6. So say 5 times 6 is 300 kilowatts. It's got the backup port, so it has that added functionality of the backup port. And then what most don't have, this one does it. It has a generator input that's separate. And then you connect your generator, and then it has remote control functions. So when you're in backup function and your battery's getting low, basically what's going to happen is it's going to turn on the generator when the battery's low, and then it's going to charge it up to a certain point, and you can set that point, say it's 85, 90%, and then it turns the generator off, so your generator's not always running. This is a great solution. It works with the EPM, it works with the current Solis PV inverters, and it's really an additive to what we have now. So right next, we're going to go to the S6 single-phase AK Pro. That's made for those unstable grids. So come on, let's go check it out. The S6 single phase, 3 to 8K, a low voltage battery pro inverter, right? So if you can see here, this has got a parallel connection. It can actually do up to 6. So you can go up to 48 kilowatts in parallel. But the most important feature on this inverter is the backup port, right? The backup port was beefed up on this inverter. So it goes up to 190 amps, and then up to times 6 if you're in parallel. And then, so that's about 8.5 kilowatts. And then we added another feature on it for 200% surge. So that 8.5 turns into 17 kilowatts for 10 seconds. So you can turn on motors, inductive loads, anything. And that's basically what this was built for. It's built for those territories with weak grids, kind of like Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, South Africa. It's really built for those territories. And so right now we added a lot more functions. One of that is peak shaving. So in those areas where you have a peak where you can't go over, you can set it at, say, 3 kilowatts, and it can't go over that. It'll start discharging once it hits 3 kilowatts, right? And so another features we had was at the normal Solis inverters, we have 3 charge and discharge periods. We added 3 more, so now you have 6. So we have the remote controls with the generators, we have the peak shaving, and then we increase the input current on the PVs to 16 amps. So this thing has everything to keep your lights on, and that's the goal, keep your lights on. Thank you.